Hello everyone, my name is Resego Motlhokathari, and my book, Inspiration, it's this book. Remembering Whitney, a mother's story of life, loss, and the night the music stopped. It's written by Whitney Houston's mother, Cissy Houston. It talks about the life of Whitney Houston, who Whitney was exactly, what made Whitney Houston, from humble beginnings to the star that we knew. And the name that we might not know is that she is Whitney Elizabeth Houston. And we've known her as Whitney Houston. And this book is closer to my heart because I believe that because I'm in the media industry, people know me as Resego Motlhokathari, the guy on TV, the guy on radio, the guy on Facebook, on social media, or whatsoever. They don't know the real me. Who am I at home? People would think, even, does this person go to the loo? What does this person eat at night? But I'm just like any other person. So this book is an elaboration of that Whitney Houston was just a very, very, very cool and normal girl, an everyday girl. And if there's a place that like within the book, what I liked is that in my darkest moments, I wonder whether Nipi, referring to Whitney Houston, loved me. She always told me she did, but she didn't call me much. I know that at times you'll feel that when someone doesn't call you, be it your mother, your father, your sister, you get to wonder, am I doing something bad? Am I doing something good? Does this person love me? All that I can say is that treasure the little moments that we have with one another. And at least Whitney Houston had the opportunity to tell her mother that, you know what, mother, I love you so much, and this is the life that I've put out for you, and let's enjoy it, let's embrace it, just that we keep on wondering as people. So this book, it's a must-have. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is the book.